Breakfast is one of the most important meal options of the day as it helps to kickstart the body metabolism, fuel our body with energy and help us to stay focused throughout the day. In this video, I'll be showing you all how to make this mouth-watering vegetable omelette that is packed with lots of nutrients. It's very easy to prepare and it's perfect for busy days and lazy weekends. So these are basically all the ingredients. I used some eggs and vegetables. I'll be adding the full ingredients as well to the description box down below, so please do ensure you check it out. I started by removing the fresh peas from its pod. If you don't want to go through this process, you can simply just purchase the canned ones. But I actually prefer the fresh ones because they still retain their natural nutrients without any preservatives. So after podding the peas, I went ahead to peel the back of the carrot using the kitchen peeler. If you don't have one, I advise you get it because this helps you to peel the back of your carrot, your potato very fast and easy. And after that, I went ahead to grate the carrot into fine shreds. Next, I proceeded to cut other vegetables. I cut my tomatoes into smaller cubes, but you can choose to actually blend yours. I also removed the seeds of bell pepper, then cut it into smaller cubes, and also cut the onion into smaller cubes as well, after which I roughly cut the scotch bonnet pepper. So to make the vegetable omelette, I heated up little vegetable oil in my pan on low heat. I then added onion and sauteed till fragrant. I also added some scotch bonnet pepper because I love to fry it alongside with the onion. And when the onion were perfectly fried, I then added the chopped tomatoes and allowed to fry a little bit. After about 2 minutes of frying, I added the other vegetables. I added the carrots, peas and bell pepper. Then mix everything together and allow it to fry on low heat. I also added little salt in order to sweeten things up, but you can choose to add any preferred spice of your choice. So what I basically did was just to stir fry the vegetables so it could wilt a little bit. So this was after 2 extra minutes and the vegetables are perfectly fried. You don't need to overcook it just so it could retain the nutrients and color. I then removed it off from the heat and allowed it to cool down a little bit. So while the stir-fried vegetables were cooling down, I went ahead to crack 3 eggs open into a mixing bowl, then mix together in order to combine the egg white and egg yolk. Just in case you're actually coming across this channel for the first time, I'm Joy by name, and in this channel I share recipes on how to make a healthy meal, juice and also smoothies. So please kindly click the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload new amazing recipes just like this. Be sure to like, share it with your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much. So when the veggies were perfectly cold, I then transferred it into the beaten egg, then mixed together to combine. You need to make sure that your veggies are actually cold just so it doesn't start to cook the eggs at this moment. So in the same pan, I added little vegetable oil and allowed to heat up. I also transferred the egg and vegetable mixture, then covered the pan. If your pan lid has an opening like mine, just try and seal it up using a tape. This will enable us to trap all the whole steam. I then allowed mine to cook gently on very low heat. Emphasis on very low heat, but you need to stay very close in order to monitor the cooking process. And once the egg looks firm at the top like this, just open up the lid and flip the omelette. You can easily do this by placing a flat plate over the pan, then turn it just the way I actually did mine. And then cover the pan and allow the other side of the omelette to cook for 2 extra minutes. So after 2 extra minutes, our healthy and delicious vegetable omelette is pretty much ready. And you can easily make this for breakfast because it's actually high in vitamins, minerals and protein that is needed to kickstart your day. Just take a look at the vibrant colors of the vegetables that was retained. I had a bite at this moment in order to reward myself for this recipe, and I know you definitely need some, so go ahead and request this recipe for yourself. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't, like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.